Chinese stocks led gains in Asian shares following remarks made by American President Donald Trump that indicating a possible relaxation of tariffs on the People's Republic. The Bank of Japan's interest rate hike caused the yen to appreciate. After Trump stated in an interview with Fox News that he would prefer not to have to impose tariffs on the second largest economy in the world, a measure of Chinese stocks in Hong Kong surged, the dollar declined, and the yuan continued to rise. Alvin Tan, an FX strategist at Singapore's Royal Bank of Canada, stated, "The negotiations might not be successful, so price action will be volatile." Tan, however, said that the things are unquestionably moving away from the worst-case scenarios involving U.S. tariffs. Even though Trump is unpredictable, and it's still very early, it does seem more and more likely that American trade policy with China is up for negotiation, according to Tan. The Australian dollar rose 0.5% as assets that are sometimes viewed as stand-ins for China also responded. However, several advised using caution when reading the remarks made by the America leader. Chang Shu, Bloomberg Economics' chief Asia economist, wrote in a note that Trump's comments may be a sign he's willing to negotiate with PRC before resorting to massive levies on imports from China. Nevertheless, it's hard to imagine Trump rescinding his tariff threats. Following the Bank of Japan's first interest rate hike since July, the value of the Japanese yen rose in relation to the US dollar. At 1.22%, the yield on the nation's 10-year government bond increased by 1.5 basis points. Whether BOJ Governor Kazuo Ueda will hint at the pace of future hikes during his news conference this afternoon will now be a major market focus. Ho-Min Lee, senior macro analyst at Lombard Odier, stated, "We think the BOJ will pursue a few more rate hikes above the 0.5% threshold that we previously viewed as a key obstacle. The dollar-yen exchange rate should have a comparatively firm resistance around 160 now that the BOJ is keeping its possibilities open for likely additional rate hikes looming," according to Odier. A comeback in technology shares sent Wall Street to a new high, and a measure of Asian equities set for its second week of gains. The S&P 500's futures were stable. The yield on the 10-year Treasury fell.